Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with both SIMs active in the phone. Make sure each can receive SMS or a call for verification. Install or update WhatsApp now and clear enough storage so media and backups will complete. Once done, decide which number you want as primary for contacts and backups, because WhatsApp ties backups to a number and account, so plan ahead and, if needed, export chats from another app or backup before proceeding. You now enable a second WhatsApp instance. Either install WhatsApp Business or use your phone's dual app/parallel app feature. When prompted, verify the second SIM with the SMS code or call. Enter the code immediately to avoid delays. Make sure to use a different cloud backup or disable automatic cloud backup for one account because backups are number-linked. Otherwise, you risk overwriting. Also, set distinct notification tones and separate media folders so you can quickly tell which account sent messages or files. You finish by testing both accounts. Send texts, voice notes, and media to confirm sending and receiving. Make sure statuses update and that each account's notifications appear distinct. If verification fails, toggle mobile data, restart the phone, or request the voice call code. These simple steps fix most issues. If backups conflict, export chats manually and use separate cloud accounts or disable one automatic backup. This prevents accidental overwrites and preserves chat history for both numbers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.